Before the Samsung Unpacked launch, I was invited to Samsung KX in London to get hands-on with their latest products, which included the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Galaxy S22 Plus, Galaxy S22, and of course, last but not least, the new Galaxy tablets. In this video, it is the S22 Ultra I'll be talking about specifically, the various colorways and finishes. Let's be honest, no one wants to make the wrong decision, especially in this price category. If you're interested in the S22 Plus or S22 instead, then check out my video comparing those colors. I'll leave a link for that at the end of this video. Welcome everyone, I'm Zilla and I was lucky enough to check out the 4 different color options for the S22 Ultra. So in today's video, I'll be comparing and showing you the differences between them, helping you decide which one to pre-order. But before I get into it, hit that subscribe button and bell notification icon, as I will be producing many videos about Samsung's latest products, so you don't want to miss those. Right, back to business. There are 4 variants available: Phantom Black, Green, Burgundy and Phantom White. All 4 options have a matte finished back, and strangely the S Pen is black regardless of your color choice, with only the ejection button matching the frame of each colorway. The metal frames on all 4 have a semi-glossy and satin finish, which I'll explain later in this video. The obvious external differences between the Galaxy S21 Ultra from last year and the S22 Ultra in 2022 is the camera bump or lack of it. I would say the S22 Ultra looks much better and cleaner. No camera bump and no framing around the camera layout like previous devices. In hand, I would say the S22 Ultra feels more like a Note with its built-in silo to store the S Pen and the flat top and bottom metal frame. First off, let's tackle the most subtle and underrated option, the Phantom Black. In my honest opinion, I really like this option because in person it looks much better than on camera. The finish is very similar to the Phantom Black S21 Ultra and the Black Z Fold 3. The black back has a subtle finish which shifts from almost black to smoky grey, which never looks like a deep jet black. The back, as expected, doesn't really show fingerprints unless you have very greasy or sweaty hands. Then, when you shift the device, the smudges appear at various angles. The metal frame sandwiched in between the screen and the back panel has a glossy gunmetal finish and is finished in a way which looks very classy and sleek, and the antenna bands are in a dark grey colour almost identical to the metal frame. Phantom Black is the colour choice for anyone looking for understated, classy and subtle. The next colour option is my favourite, the white. This is probably the cleanest and freshest colour in my opinion. The back panel is matte with a Samsung branding in a silver colour, which is only visible at certain angles. The white colour is very bright and as such there is no colour shifting, but it does look luxurious in the flesh. The frame has a shiny silver finish. The top and bottom look like mirrors and obviously pick up fingerprints easily. The frame and buttons match perfectly and complement the white, making it look overall very high end. I would say this option is for anyone who doesn't want a boring black device but instead prefers a more high end look. The third color option for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the green. Again, like the other colorways, it has a matte finish. I would say the green color looks like the Z Fold 3 Phantom Green, but with less of a color shift. The metal frame is finished in a green color, which looks like the green hinge on the Fold 3. The frame looks very light in color, almost like a silver frame with a hint of green. It does really look like a very premium finish, but be aware the antenna bands are a touch darker than the frame, and they have a flat finish looking almost grey. Again, the metal frame is a fingerprint magnet, so you have been warned. It really does add the finishing touch to the overall color of the phone by giving a rich framing tone. Definitely a different option compared to previous Galaxy S devices, and worthy of your consideration if you use a case or can cope with the fingerprint smudges on the metal frame like the other options. And finally, the fourth color option, the new Burgundy color. Again, a matte finish. The Burgundy looks like a classy device. I'm extremely tempted to pick this over the white. Fingerprints are hidden well, just like the other options. The metal frame is finished in a glossy coating but is less reflective than the silver rails on the white S22 Ultra, and it seemed to show less fingerprints for some reason. The antenna bands blend in well with the metal frame, probably the closest color match of the 4 colorways. It is a more fashionable color option in my eyes. I would say almost understated. I personally think this colorway is intended more for the consumers who are tired of boring black but are not looking for flashiness of the white, truth be told. I am tempted, but I'm not sure if the burgundy would eventually bore me. So, there you have it, the current color options available for the Galaxy S22 Ultra series. If you're looking to pick up any of these color op variants, then use my link in the description below to help me out. I have also made a video of the S22 and 22 Plus color choices, which total 4 options, so check out that video too. So which is your favorite color and why? Let me know in the comments below. Personally, my favorite is the white because of that luxurious finish on the back panel and the contrasting silver frame. It's nice to see Samsung giving us extra choices this year compared to previous S Ultra devices. I can't help feeling that Samsung missed a trick here. They could have gone with other color options like red glass with a black frame or blue glass with a white frame for as examples. What color combo would you like to have seen? Let me know in the comments below. I will be making loads more videos about the S22, S22 Plus, S22 Ultra and Tab S8 series, including accessories, screen protectors, cases and comparisons. So smash that subscribe button and bell notification icon, give me a thumbs up and share this video on your social media including Samsung groups and forums. Until next time, I'm TechZilla saying take care and peace.